niggas. I know they should've get you fucked up. Let them not hear you. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. I know niggas that know niggas who are get you touched up. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that know niggas who are get you touched up. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that know niggas who are get you touched up. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that know niggas who are get you touched up. Playing with the wrong niggas, make me invade your home, put some bullets in your dome. They be like, Blizzard was wrong, well, I'm right. Alright, quit your thirst, you're like Sprite. Then I'm just get some ice, beat your girl push up that night. I ain't right, I'm on the flight. Yeah, I'm drifted up in ice. I wish somebody tell them different before I had to take it into life. Cause playing with the wrong dude, you ain't a pen price. I know about getting in the game and buy for it, it's getting cheap. But it's hot when you trying to be a rich kid. Bad hoes, they on my dick. Ratchet killers, but nobody trying to feel I was a ratchet nigga. Being broke in the hood with no intentions of getting a million, I noticed. Something I noticed. Grab my dick like the cars and play poker. I need some tips. I'ma bust that pussy open. Purple shit. Cause I was smoking. I know you hoping. Playing with the wrong nigga, get you fucked up. I know niggas that know niggas will get you touched up. Playing with the wrong nigga, get you fucked up. I know niggas that know niggas get you touched up. Playing with the wrong nigga, get you fucked up. I know niggas that know niggas will get you touched up. Playing with the wrong nigga, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that know niggas will get you touched up. Playing with the wrong nigga, make you move out your hood. Talking behind the nigga back, good. All that smoke is good. I'm from the hood. I keep a bad bitch. I'm pussy good. That was up. I'm in her guts, I'm in her butt, and I don't give a fuck. She a slut, I'm finna nut. All up in her guts. Know I got that rough out when she get pregnant. I don't give a fuck. Playing with the Blizzard, put you on a t-shirt or a shit band, you nigga. Playing with the Blizzard, put you on a t-shirt or a shit bag, you nigga. Playing with the wrong nigga, get you fucked up. I know niggas that know niggas so get you touched up. Alright, what's that? Let's go like this. Playing with the wrong nigga, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that know niggas so get you touched up. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that'll get you touched up. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that'll get you touched up. That'll get you fucked up. That'll get you touched up. That'll get you fucked up. And if you know something about me, I'll make you shit and pee. Like some babies when I ring get to the 380. Don't be playing me like no hoe. And don't be playing me like I'm faking. Cause little nigga, I'm real. I'm from the bottom. We don't make it. North side, Ear Force to every street. Them boys ain't know about bleak. Bitch nigga on every street. Niggas know what's up with me. Pussy niggas don't fuck with me. Niggas at the barbershop bragging to people like he snuggling B. Fuck ass nigga. With the man you can't fuck with the beat. Keep my name out your mouth, I'm sending some bullets gonna be stuck with your little pussy, fake fraud, scary ass. You never catch me hanging with your little generic ass. Playing with the wrong niggas, that'll get you fucked up. And playing with the wrong niggas, that'll get you cut up. I know it, I know it, I know it, I know it, I know it. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that'll get you touched up. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. Cause I know niggas that know niggas who will get you touched up. That'll get you touched up. That'll get you fucked up. That'll get you touched up. That'll get you touched up. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. Playing with the wrong niggas, get you fucked up. I know it, 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 I know it. I know it, I know it, I know it, I know it. Lil Blizzard beat. Get at me on YouTube at Earl 26310. You heard me? BT beat and the level hustler. We out this bitch.